Okay, good morning, children. Today we can learn about Roman numerals. So, Roman numerals, whenever you are writing in your classes 1, 2, 3, 4, these we will write in Roman numbers. So, as in Indian system of numeration, we will use 0 to 9 symbols. That is totally 10 symbols we will use. With the help of these 10 symbols only, we can write all the numbers. Yes, in English we are using 26 alphabets. With the help of these 26 alphabets only, we are writing English language. In the same way, for writing Roman numerals, we have only 7 symbols. Those symbols are letters, alphabets, for example. That means the 7 alphabets that we will use for Roman numerals are IVXLCDM. What are that? IVXLCDM. With the help of these 7 symbols, we can write all the Roman numerals. And what are the rules hidden to write Roman numbers? That also we can check it. Okay. See, first of all, I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X 10, L stands for 15, C stands for 100, D for 500, and M for 1000. Only with the help of these 7 symbols, we can write any Roman numbers. That means here especially we have conversion of Roman numbers into Hindu Arabic numerals, that is our Indian system, and Hindu Arabic numerals to Roman numbers. These are the main important things that we can learn in this class. And what are the rules hidden in this? The first one is smaller symbols. See here, I is smaller than V, V is smaller than X, X is smaller than L, L is smaller than C, C is smaller than D, D is smaller than M. And M is greater than D, D is greater than C, C is greater than L, L is greater than X, X is greater than V, V is greater than I. So, in this way, the greater symbols and the smaller symbols you have to remember here. So, the first rule here you have to remember is, of the 7 symbols, I, X, C and M only can be repeated a maximum of 3 times. Of the 7 symbols, the 4 symbols can be repeated for a maximum of 3 times. What are the 4 symbols? In Hindu Arabic number, they starts with 1. 1 to start అవుతాయి. అంటే చూడండి ఇక్కడ 1, 1, 1, 1. So which numbers are starting with 1? That means IXCM. In Roman numbers, IXCM can be repeated a maximum of 3 times. Only these numbers can be repeated. What are the remaining numbers? The remaining numbers are VLD. VLD, these are starting with 5. These are starting with 5, 5, 5. See here, 5, 50, 500, and VLD cannot be repeated. 2 times కూడా రిపీట్ కావడానికి లేదు, ఒకేసారి రాయాలి వాటిని. ఓకే, సో IXCM can be repeated a maximum of 3 times, and if it is written on the second rule. If you observe the second rule, if a smaller symbol is written on the right side of a greater symbol, that is to be added. If a smaller symbol is written on the right side of a greater symbol, that is to be added. Okay. Here, the first rule we have learned. The second one is, when we are writing a smaller symbol on the left side of a greater symbol, that is to be subtracted. So, whenever we are writing a smaller symbol on the left side, it should be written only once. ante only one time we can subtract. That means if you are writing I on the left side of V, if you are writing I on the left side of V, only once we have to write. That means 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. But I cannot be written on the left side two times. V. We should not write like that. That means that is the second rule. Whenever we are writing a smaller symbol on the left side of a greater symbol, that is to be subtracted. And which symbols can be subtracted? Again, which starts in Hindu Arabic numeral with 1. That means I, X, C and M. I, X, C and M. M means anyway we can't subtract by because this is the greatest symbol. This cannot be subtracted from any other number. So I, X and C only can be subtracted. So we cannot subtract V, L, D. V, L and D cannot be subtracted. That means V cannot be written on the left side of X, or V cannot be written on the left side of L, or L cannot be written on the left side of C, L cannot be written on the left side of D, like that. Understand? So V, L and D cannot be subtracted. I, X and C only can be, I, X and C only can be subtracted. So these are with the help of these three rules, we can write any Roman numbers. And for example, to write down the numeral which is more than 1000, and write down the number and put a bar at the top of that number, it represents thousands times. It represents 1000 times. Okay. Now, how to write down Roman numbers? And one more thing here you have to remember, we can subtract, we are saying. Second rule is this one. If a smaller symbol is written on the left side of a greater symbol, that is to be subtracted, we are telling. So that is to be subtracted means, observe carefully, I can be subtracted only from V and X. From these two only we can subtract I. We cannot subtract I from L. That means 50 minus 1, 49. To write down 49, L, we can't write IL. If you are writing IL, actually see, this is the greatest symbol. If you are writing the greater number on the right side of a smaller symbol, or if you are writing a smaller symbol on the right side of a greater symbol, that is to be subtracted. That is the rule, third rule. Okay, this third rule is, if you are writing a smaller symbol on the left side of a greater symbol, that is to be subtracted. But here, I is writing on the left side of L, that means 50 minus 1 is equal to 49, but 49 cannot be written like that. Why? Because here, one more rule here he is telling, I can be subtracted only from V and X. It should not come up to here, or it should not come up to here. Or for writing 999, 1000 minus 1, no, we should not use like that. Okay? Next, in the same way, X, if you are observing this X can be subtracted from L and C only. X can be subtracted from L and C only. We can't subtract X from 500 or X from 1000. We should not subtract. And if you are observing this C can be subtracted only from D and C can be subtracted only from D and D. That means for writing 400, 500 minus 100, 400, 1000 minus 100, 900, you can write like that. But we can't subtract X from 1000 or I from these numbers, these four. I can be subtracted only from Vx, X can be subtracted only from LC, and C can be subtracted only from DM. Understand? That is the subtraction process. Now, how to write Roman numbers? Now we can see. For writing of Roman numerals, just observe carefully. To write down 1, for example, up to 9 or 10, first we can see 1. So 1 is, we know that 1 it is. So 2, to write down 2. So what I said, if you are writing a smaller symbol a maximum that can be repeated for a maximum of 3 times. So to write down 2, is there any symbol? Direct symbol is there? No direct symbol. So this can be repeated for twice. So I is 2. I. And to write down 3, and a maximum of 3 times can be repeated. What we said? A maximum of 3 times can be repeated. Which symbols can be repeated for a maximum of 3 times? I, X, C and M. I, X, C, M can be repeated a maximum of 3 times. So here to write down 3, I can be repeat I for 3 times. That is I. That is 3. Now to write down 4. Now is there any symbol to write down 4? There is no 4. But can we repeat I for 4 times? No, we should not. So this 4 is in between 5 and 1. So subtract it. Use this symbol. Use this formula. Third one. What is that? If you are writing a smaller symbol on the left side of a greater symbol, that is to be subtracted. That means from 5 take out 1, then it becomes 4. From 5 take out 1. So 5 symbol is V. And if you are subtracting, if you are writing on the left side, it is to be subtracted. If you are writing on the right side, it is to be added. So subtract it. So 4, this is 4. Next, to write down 5. How will you write 5? 5 already we have 5 symbols, so write down V. So to write down 6. If you are writing a smaller symbol on the right side of a greater symbol, that is to be added. So 6 is in between 5 and 10. So write down. So 5 plus 1, 6. In the same way, to write down 7, 5 plus say 1 plus 1. 5, 6, 7. Next, 8. To write down 8. In the same way, we can repeat it for a maximum of 3 times. So here also we are writing 3. 5 plus 3, 8. So 8 is in between 5 and 10. 9. To write down 9. How can you write 9? 9. Can we repeat I for 4 times? No, we cannot repeat I for 4 times. It can be repeated only a maximum of 3 times. So from 10 we have to take out 1. 10 is X. If you are subtracting 1 from this, which side you have to write the smaller symbol? Smaller symbol to be written on the left side. So if you are writing on the left side of the greater symbol, that is to be subtracted. So IX is 9 and 10. To write down 10, already we have 10 symbol, that is X. So these are the writing Roman numbers in this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the Roman numbers, writing Roman numbers. Now we can take different kinds of numbers till 1000 or 15,000 or 17,000 or 20,000, and how to write down Roman numbers to Hindu Arabic numbers, and then afterwards Hindu Arabic numbers to Roman numbers. Now once again I am repeating. So here we will use only 7 symbols to write down Roman numerals. The 7 symbols are IVXL CDM. IVXL CDM. These are the 7 symbols. And I represents for 1, V represents for 5, and the X stands for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, and M for 1000. These are the 7 symbols that we'll use to write down Roman numerals. And the rules to be followed here is, so whenever, which symbols can be repeated? I, X, C and M can be repeated, and that is to be a maximum of 3 times only. It should not be repeated more than 3 times. That is to be repeated for a maximum of 3 times. And second rule is, if you are writing the smaller symbol on the right side of a greater symbol, that means I can be written on V after. So X after, like that you can write. So if you are writing a smaller symbol on the right side of a greater symbol, that is to be added, and that can be added for a maximum of 3 times. And the second one is, if a smaller symbol is written on the left side of a greater symbol ki left symbol, left side. If you are writing V ki left side I raste, then it becomes 4. So if you are writing on the left side of a greater symbol, that is to be subtracted. So subtraction can be done only once. That means if you are writing a smaller symbol to the left side of a greater symbol, only one time we have to write. It should not be written 2 times. Why? Because here to write down 2 times, no use. So for one time if you are writing, you will get like this also. So this is the writing number. Now by taking some more examples, we can see how to write down Roman numbers. Okay. Now write down the Roman numerals are these following Hindu Arabic numerals. First of all, you have to remember only one thing. Whenever the number is given, you have to write down the expanded form of this number. Expanded form of the given number. And also, that number is in between which two symbols? That also you have to check. First of all, given here 29. So write down the expanded form of 29, that is 20 plus 9. 20 plus 9. 20, where is 20? 20 is in between 10 and 50. 10 and 50. What to do? Till 30, this should be repeated for 3 times. So, if you want to write 40, from 50 we have to take out 10. From 50 we have to take out 10. So, but 20 is there. 20 means it can be repeated for twice. 2 times you can repeat. So, if you are repeating 2 times, 10 plus 10, 20. So, instead of writing 20, x, and writing 9. 9 means, where is this 9? 9 is in between 5 and 10. 5 and 10. 5 after, we have to write 4 ones. Now, I can be repeated for 4 times? No, we should not repeat. So, what to do? So, 5 plus 4, 9. Or otherwise, we can't write I for 4 times. Why? Because it can be repeated a maximum of 3 times only. So, from 10 we have to subtract 1. So, from x can be subtracted I and I can be subtracted I and x can be subtracted, isn't it? So, that can be subtracted. So, 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 1 means I, x. That means I is written on the left side of greater symbol. I is written on the left side of greater symbol, that is to be subtracted. So 29 can be written like this. Now 18, expanded form, 10 plus 8. So you know that 10. How can you write 10? X. So 8 also we have written. 1 to 10 numbers I have wrote. So 8. V, I can be repeated a maximum of 3 times. That means the smaller symbol is written on the right side of a greater symbol. కాబట్టి 5 కి యాడ్ చేయాలి v, 10 కి ఇవన్నీ యాడ్ చేయాలి. Why? Because 10 after we are writing. That means these are to be added. So v is smaller than x, I is smaller than v. That means all these to be added. That means 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 10, 18. 10 plus 8 is 18. In the same way, 14. 14 also. 10 plus 4. You know how to write down 10. X. 4. 4 means IV. 14. 36. So expanded form of 36. 30 plus 6. So 30. 30 means 30 is in between 10 and 50. So what to do? 10 should be repeated for a maximum of 3 times. So x if you are repeating 3 times. So x, 36. V, I, 6. Okay. Then afterwards 45. 45 means where it is? 40 plus 5, expanded form. 40 plus 5. Where is 40? 40 is in between 10 and 50. So, can we repeat x for 4 times? No, we can't repeat. So, 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 is 40. That is equal to, here you have to write 50 minus 10 plus 5. 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10. 50. What is the symbol? L. Minus 10, left side. X. So, XL is 50 and 5. V is written on the right side. So this is XL 50 and 5 50. Sorry, 40 plus 5 to 45. Now 67, expanded form. 60 plus 7. 60 plus 7 is the expanded form. How can you write 60? Where is this 60? See here, symbols. 60 is in between 50 and 100. 60 is in between 50 and 100. So add 10 to 50. 10 to 50, then it becomes 60. So that means 50 symbol L, X. L, X is 60 plus 7. You know 7 how to write? V, I, 7. 67. Now 58. 50 plus 8. 50 symbol L, 8 as you know. V, I, 80. 73. 70 plus 3, 70 plus 3, 70. Where is 70? 70 is in between 50 and 100. మరి 100 నుంచి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేద్దామా 50కి యాడ్ చేద్దామా? ఓకే, యాడ్ 20 to 50. 50కి 20 యాడ్ చేయాలంటే 2x యాడ్ చేయాలి. సో 50 L 2x. సో L 50, 60, 70. 70 రాసిన తర్వాత రైట్ డౌన్ 3. 3 is I. Very good. Now 99. 99 means expanded form of 99 is 90 plus 9. Remember carefully, from 100 if you are taking out 1, you will get 99 only. So 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. But I can be subtracted from 100. Rule. What is the rule? We can't subtract I from 100 because I can be subtracted only from Vx. ఈ రెండిట్లోంచి మాత్రమే సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. 99 రాయాలంటే 100 minus 1 రాసిన 99. But that is wrong. We can't subtract. I can be subtracted only from Vx. Vx లోంచి మాత్రమే సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి ఐని. కాబట్టి 50 లోంచి కానీ 100 లోంచి కానీ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయగలదు. అంటే 50 minus 1 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 49 అని, 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. It is wrong. So to write down 99, 90 plus 9. 90 means 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10. 90, where is 90? 90 is in between 50 and 100. 50కి 100కి మధ్యలో ఉంది. కాబట్టి 50కి 40 యాడ్ చేద్దామా? 100 నుంచి 10 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేద్దామా? Yes, 100 minus 10. 100 is C. C minus 10. Okay, X. XC is 90. And 9. 9 also we know, IX. 99. In the same way 49 also. Very good. 49 also 40 plus 9. But 50 minus 1 also we can do. 50 minus 1 and actually 49. But IL and రాస్తే అది రాంగ్ అవుతుంది. IL means if you are writing the smaller symbol on the greater left side of the greater symbol కి left side లో రాస్తున్నాం. But it cannot be written. Why? Because I cannot be subtracted from L. I can be subtracted only from V and X. Okay, that rule ఉంది కదా. అందుకని ఐని Vx లోంచి మాత్రమే సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి, L లోంచి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయకూడదు. సో 49 రాయడానికి 50 minus 1 అని రాయకూడదు. ఓకే, now 49 is equal to 40. How can you write 40? How can you write 40? Where is 40? 40 is in between 10 and 50. 10కి 50కి మధ్యలో ఉంది. మరి 10 ని 4 times రిపీట్ చేయొచ్చా? నో. కాబట్టి 50 లోంచి 10 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయి. 40, 50 సింబల్ L. సబ్ట్రాక్టింగ్ మీన్స్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్. సో right side to the right side of a greater symbol. Sorry, we are writing the smaller symbol on the left side of a greater symbol. Greater symbol left side రాస్తున్నాం, that is to be subtracted. Now 40 అయిపోయింది అది. 9. Again 9 we know IX. 49. Then 81. 81 means 80. 80 plus 1. 80 plus 1. 80. How can you write 80? And where is this 80? 80 is in between 50 and 100. మరి 50కి 30 యాడ్ చేద్దామా? 100 లోంచి 20 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేద్దాం. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్ 30 ఓన్లీ. బట్ ఏ maximum of 3 times can be repeated, but we can't subtract it for twice subtract చేయకూడదు కాబట్టి. సో టు రైట్ డౌన్ 80, 50 plus 3 10s. 50 is L. 60, 70, 80. 1 plus 1 is I. 81. 356 is given here. Write down 356 expanded form. 300 plus 50 plus 60. 6. 300 maximum of C can be repeated a maximum of 3 times. 100 is equal to 300. 1, 2, 3. 300. 50 L. 56 V I. That is 356. Now check here carefully these numbers. Now 742. 742 means write down the expanded form. 700 plus 40 plus 2. So this is equal to 700. How can you write 700? Where is 700? 700 is in between 500 and 1000. మరి 1000 నుంచి 300 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేద్దామా? నో. సో 500కి 200 యాడ్ చేయాలి. 500 means D. 200 is ICC. So 700 means D, C, C. 500, 600, 700 over. 40. How can you write 40? 40. Where is 40? 40 is in between 10 and 50. So 10 and 4 times repeat చేస్తామా 50 లో instant subtract చేస్తామా very good 50 minus 10 so that is 50 is L minus 10 42 I okay this is 742 afterwards again after completing that once again check 500 600 700 50 minus 10 42 742 so once again you can check now 869 800 plus 60 plus 9 800 plus 60 plus 9 so to write down 800 where is 800 in between 500 and 1000 800 is in between 500 and 1000 so from 1000 if you take out 200 no 500 ki 300 add cheyandi 500 plus 300 so ఇది once ఇది thrice so 500 means D 300 600 700 800 so 800 plus 60 60 is in where is 60 in between 50 and 100 so 50 కి ఒక 10 యాడ్ చేయాలి 50 కి ఒక 10 యాడ్ చేసి 60 50 is L 10 యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి రైట్ సైడ్ రాయాలి x 60 9 9 means 10 నుంచి ఒకటి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి 10 minus 1 10 minus 1 కాబట్టి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ రాయండి 9 so that is 9 so 869 then 257 200 plus 50 plus 7 so that is equal to 200 100 we have to write twice C 50 50 is direct symbol L 7 is the direct symbol no so 52 add cheyave 5 V I so 6475 the next number is 6475 so that it can be written expanded form 6000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 5 so 6000 that means m should be repeated for a maximum of 3 times only but 6 రాయాలి అంటే just write 6 in Roman number and at the top you have to write a bar that bar represents into 1000 that means 6000 means 5 1 6 into 1000 the bar represents into 1000 this bar represents into 1000 so 5 1 6 into 1000 6000 to write down 6000 you have to write like this and 400 is in between 500 and 100 500 minus 100 so 500 left side you are writing minus 100 475 70 50 plus 20 50 is L X 75 V so that is 6400 50 60 75 6475 now this one 12945 that is equal to again 12000 plus 900 plus 40 plus 5 so how can you write 12000 write down 12 at the top you have to write a bar represents into 1000 that means 12 into 1000 12000 plus 900 is between 500 and 1000 so 1000 లోంచి ఒక 100 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 900 so MCR CM M అంటే 1000 minus 100 so we have to write the left side so if you are writing smaller symbol on the left side it is to be subtracted so 1000 minus 100 900 40 means where is 40 it is in between 10 and 50 so 50 minus 10 so L is 50 minus 10 and X XL 40 and 5 is V stands for in this way you can write down known numerals like this okay so this is about our problem. Thank you. Okay, now write down the Hindu Arabic numerals for the given Roman numerals. Here Roman numerals are given to us. We have to write down the Indian numerals, Hindu Arabic numerals. So how to write down Hindu Arabic numerals for this following you can check here. Now here again same like this. So you know that this is 10 minus 1 The smaller symbol is written on the left side of a greater symbol. So 10 minus 1, that is equal to 9. Now here also you check carefully. So all the smaller symbols on the right side only. So that is to be added. 10 plus 5 plus 3. That is equal to 8 plus 10, 18. So here also all the smaller symbols on the right side only. It is repeated twice. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 1, 21. 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. Now check carefully. Now here these are x's, v small, all small symbols on the right side. So what to do? You add all these add. So 3 times x, 30, 5 plus 3 times 1, 3. 30 plus 8 is equal to 38. Now here also, x is the smallest number, L is the greater symbol. So to the greater symbol, we are writing the smaller symbol on the left side. So whenever we are writing a smaller symbol on the left side, it is to be subtracted. That means 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10, that is equal to 40. 40 is the answer. Next. So here also, check carefully. So 50 minus 10. V is greater, I is smaller. So here also 5 minus 1. So 50 minus 10 plus 5 minus 1. So that is equal to 50 minus 10. 40 plus 4 is 44. Next here. See, again, greater symbol ki left side lo smaller symbol. So this is to be subtracted. This is 50 minus 10 plus 7. That is equal to 50 minus 10. 40 plus 7 is 47. Next here also 50 minus 10. 40. X minus 1. 10 minus 1, 9. So that is equal to 50 minus 10 plus 10 minus 1. That is equal to 50 minus 10. Sorry, 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10. 40 plus 9. 49 is the answer. Now check here. This one. So all these written on the right side. So 50 plus 5 plus 1. So 50 plus 5 plus 1, that is equal to 50 plus 6 is equal to 56. Next. Here also. All the smaller symbols on the right side only. So all these to be added. 50 plus 3 tens, 35. 35 plus 2, 37. So 50 plus 30, 80 plus 7, 87. Like that also you can write. 50 plus 30 plus 7. That is equal to 50 plus 30, 87. So 87 is the answer. Now XC. So X is the smaller symbol is written on the left side of the greater symbol. So that is to be subtracted. 100 minus 10. That is 90. 100 minus 10. That is equal to 90. Next here. So again here also 100 minus 10. 5 minus 1. So 100 minus 10. 90 plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 90 plus 4, 94 is the answer. Next here, 100 minus 10, 90 plus 8, 98. So again here also, X, L and L is the greater symbol. To the greater symbol left side we have written smaller symbol. So 50 minus 10, 50 minus 10, 40, 5 minus 1, 4, 40 plus 4, 44. Directly we are writing, check carefully. So here also D minus 100. 50 minus 500 minus 100, 400. Here 100 minus 10, 90 and 8. So 500 minus 100 plus 100 minus 10 plus 8. That is equal to 500 minus 100, 400, 98. 498. Next. Here. Check CM and A. The smaller symbol is written on the left side of a greater symbol. That is to be subtracted. 1000 minus 100. Here also XL means X is a smaller number, L is the greater number. So to the smaller symbol is written on the left side of the greater symbol. That is to be subtracted. That means 50 minus 10. Here also the smaller symbol is written on the left side of the greater symbol. That is to be subtracted. 10 minus 1. So 1000 minus 100 plus 100 minus 10 plus 10 minus 1. That is equal to 999. 999. But is it necessary to write down this much big number for 999? Direct గా 1000 లోంచి 1 subtract చేయొచ్చు కదా. 1000 minus, if you are writing a smaller symbol on the left side of a greater symbol, that is to be subtracted. So 999, 1000 minus 1 is 999. No, we can't write like this. No, we cannot write because I cannot be subtracted from M. I can be subtracted only from V and X. V and X only. We can't subtract it from C as well as D and as well as M also. Okay? So I cannot be written like this. Next. See here. X, V, I, that is 10, 15, 16, 17, 18 bar. 18 bar means 18,000. If you are writing bar at the top, into 1000 multiplied by 1000. So 18,000. 500 plus 600 plus 100. 500 plus 100 plus 100. Total is 700. 10 minus 1, 9. So 709. So what is this? 18,709. This way you can write down Hindu Arabic numerals for the Roman numbers. Okay, understood? So this is way you can write down. Very, very easy. Whenever you are writing, you have to check carefully. You should know the symbols. IVXL CDM. IVXL CDM. These are, I stands for 1. So you have to remember carefully the symbols and the numbers in Hindu Arabic number. Whenever you are remembering easily, it is easy to write down in any number. Any number can be written easily with the help of this Roman numbers. So this is the completion of Roman numeral symbols. In this way, you can write down as many questions as you need. So first of all, you have to write down the numbers 1 to 100 Roman numbers. Write down numbers from 1 to 100. 1 to 100 Hindu Arabic numbers రాసుకుని దానికి Roman numbers రాయాలి. So then easily you can understand. Okay. Then afterwards 100 to 200, like that up to 500 if you are writing numbers, then easily you can do any number. Afterwards thousands, any number you can take in thousands and expand it. Write down the, if Hindu Arabic numeral is given, to write down the Roman numeral for that, expand it and write down, then easily you will do. Okay, thank you.